Hi guys, this is 2023 Toyota RAV4. This car had the problem is the handbrake, the light is not released. When you put in the drive, it should be in the release for the parking brakes. So when you put in to the brake pedal and put the drive, so parking brake is not releasing. That means your parking brake is deactivated. So you can do the manually handbrake release, then you can drive it, car moving. So then you should again need to apply the parking brake. So you need to do the reset your parking brake system. So first going 1 2 3 1 2 3 and up. Okay, then turn the ignition switch off and turn on. You can see the parking brake light is on, and put the drive, it's release. When you put the parking, it's come on. Again the drive, this parking brake is off, now on. So that's the reset for your parking brake system. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.